Rabbi Pinchas of Donowitz taught, "This world is known as the world of repair. Each day we are obligated to repair that which we put wrong the day before." Angels are considered standers since they are always only on one level and they have no capacity or need to repair the past. But humans are walkers. They move from level to level. When the Torah speaks of the Israelites marching, our tradition offers us that they are not just passing through, but being mindful and working to repair as they move from place to place. Rest your eyes, relaxing body and breath. Consider your movements today. Where have you marched through, and what did you leave in your wake? In your mind's eye, return through your steps and make repair as you go, one step at a time. As you continue to march through today, bring this practice of repair with you.